everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name's Claire. I'm going to be unboxing January Lookfantastic beauty box. This arrived a couple of days ago. I've had 3 weeks off YouTube, so I've had a nice rested time. Although, as you might be able to tell, my voice is a little bit off. I got a bit of a croak going on because I've had the blinking bug. The bug that everyone seems to have had, you know, with a sore throat and things. I feel fine. Getting better now, but my voice is a bit funny, so that I don't normally sound like this. But if you're interested in this box for yourself, then you'll find details down below in my description, as well as I've got a code BEAUTYGEEK which will entitle you to receive a free mystery box if you take out a subscription. And if I can find out any other discount codes, offers and freebies and things, you'll find it all listed there. This box is kindly sent to me as a PR sample, so I'm able to show you and tell you all about it. I am actually a subscriber to Lookfantastic myself, and I take out a 12-month subscription. With those boxes I put up for giveaways, mainly on my Instagram page, which I will be doing in the next week or two. So the cost of a one-off monthly box is £17.50. It ships internationally, and if you take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, then the price comes down. For instance, for my 12-month subscription I pay £13 a month. They say the minimum box value is £50, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. We got a QR code there to scan, which I will do. And this is the box. There, give you a quick sneak peek first. So the theme for this month is Fresh Start. And I'm just skipping through right to the end to see if we get a sneak peek for February. So next month's sneak peek, we are having a nude stick magnetic eye colour eyeshadow pencil in shade Dew Wap, and it is worth £21.41. Ooh, can you see there? So we'll all receive that in our box next month. Starting off then, we've got a bath and shower gel from Molten Brown. This is orange and bergamot, and there's 100 mils there. This is nothing new to Lookfantastic beauty boxes. We've received them many, many times. You either love them or you don't. I absolutely love Molten Brown. They just smell stunning, especially this one, orange and bergamot. My favourite is the rhubarb and rose. Oh, that is the most gorgeous scent. But yeah, I do really like this. But what can I tell you about it? It's worth £7. Infused with vitamin-rich orange oil, bergamot and neroli flower, the gel helps to leave skin nourished and radiant looking post-rinse, as you'd expect with a shower and body cream. Not cream, gel I mean. Next we've got This Works. This is Morning Expert Hyaluronic Acid Serum. 2% hyaluronic acid and slow-release vitamin C help plump and brighten morning skin. And there's 15 mils there. This is worth £18.50. Alleviate tired, dull, puffy eyes with the open eyes from This Works Morning. Is it for your eyes? The information states it's for your eyes, even though the picture and the info is the same, but the actual describing of the product is different, so it's not for your eyes. Massage into skin on face and neck each morning to maximise plumping effect. There's that. Next we've got something really exciting for me anyway. I absolutely love this brand. I've loved this brand for many, many years. It's Lumine. This is the gorgeous Nordic Hydra Oxygen 72-hour gel mask, and there's 15 mils here. This is such a gorgeous brand. I hope that they put more products of Lumine in their boxes. Oh, I just love, especially the Nordic Sea range. It's just beautiful. I'm wearing their Glow Primer today, which is one of my favourites as well. This 15ml little pot is worth £4.90. The mask provides ultimate non-stop hydration for dehydrated skin, infused with replenishing organic Nordic birch sap, pure Arctic spring water, plumping hyaluronic acid, as well as hydrating Nordic bilberry water, combined with oxygen recovery minerals. This ultra fresh gel helps to reveal a healthy, bouncy and plump look. Yeah, definitely more Lumine products in the boxes. Lookfantastic if you watch this. Then we have got, this is by Style Dry. It's a new brand. I'm not that familiar with it. I don't think so anyway. Coconut and Fig. It's a hair mask with coconut oil and muru butter, and there's 50 mils here. This is worth £11. It's the must-have hair mask for the ultimate treatment at home. Your hair will look silky and shiny as never before. Then we have got Brushworks. This is a scalp massaging brush. I'll open it up and show you. But that's what it looks like on the back there. It's just got a different photo. Massaging shampoo brush, but the information's the same. It's full size and it's worth £7.99. Upgrade your hair washing routine with a Brushworks massaging shampoo brush. Yeah, no, there is there's a little bit of confusion. Maybe there is variations, but it doesn't show it. You might not be able to see that there. So it looks like you'll either get a massaging shampoo brush or a scalp massaging brush. So that's for your scalp. So what's the difference then? Seems very similar, as in massaging and exfoliating your scalp. It can be used with your favourite shampoo and oils. Yeah, they're very similar. So there's that. And then the last item in the box, they do have variations of this. They show you either or. So you'll either receive what I've got, which is a Lanolin 101 ointment. This is full size and it's worth £8.99. All the healing, hydrating, wondrous multi-purpose benefits of Lanolip's multi-award winning 101 ointment, but with added vitamin E and glorious all-natural strawberry extract. It's Lanolip's little tube of magic. Or you'll receive, which is really good as well, it's a full size Dr. Lip original nipple balm. Not necessarily for your nipples, it can be used for anything. Exactly the same as this. Basically it can be used on cuticles, your hair, your skin, anywhere. And that is worth £5.99. It says famous for being gentle but extremely effective for that long lasting ultra rich hydration that we can all crave on our face, hands and body. So yeah, so I've got the Lanolip's one. I can't wait to give this a sniff as it's strawberry. I love a fruity smell. There. Oh, sorry, I don't mean to be sticking my middle finger up at you. I just wanted to put it on my cuticle. Oh, it smells amazing. Yeah, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Just rub it into my cuticles. That's what I tend to do with these type of balms. And at night time as well, so it gives it a chance to really work its magic throughout the night. There you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Lookfantastic January beauty box. I'll just give you a bit of a recap. Got a molten brown, orange and bergamot shower and bath gel. This Works hyaluronic acid serum with vitamin C. We've got a Lumine 72-hour Hydra gel mask. We've got a Style Dry coconut and fig hair mask. We've got a Brushworks hair massager or head scalp massager. And then lastly, Lanolip's ointment, a multi-purpose balm. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you happy? Are you disappointed? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.